guys, it's Liz and Jigsaw. This is our calf that we're trying to nurse back to health. He's got some gas issues, so just kind of been snuggling a little bit today. So we are keeping a close eye on him. But look at this awesome, let's see, where did it go? He has got this puzzle piece. Look at this. And this is why, one reason why we call him Jigsaw, is because look, he's got that puzzle piece on his back. So, pretty awesome. We've kind of been just snuggling and hanging out today. So, yeah, he's sleeping. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So, say we've just been kind of hanging out and monitoring his symptoms and everything like that. So, hopefully we get this guy up. He was standing about 10 minutes by himself just a little bit ago. So, I will get him up here shortly to feed him for the night, and then hopefully he can sleep. Can you tell him bye?
Hi.
We will see you later.
See you later.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say click like.
Click like.
Say bye.
Bye.
Blow kisses.